any specific timing or specific duration after which a patient should consult the ENT specialist, or like as soon as they find out they are snoring in the night, should they immediately go to the doctor?
It's usually better because you don't want to unnecessarily develop diabetes or hypertension before you go and approach your ENT doc. So before the onset of any kind of comorbidity like diabetes, hypertension, heart issues, lung issues, better to go and consult such that you will be preventing the further complications.